finished look, and as always I'm loving my makeup, and I'm wearing these earrings that I got from Macy's. And these are very subtle. If you don't pay attention closely, like, you don't even see it. I love, you know, subtle, like simple things. I got my work clothes on. I didn't get my tag on yet. I think I'm gonna wear it whenever I go to the store. Clarence sent me a box, by the way, so let's go ahead and open it up. Just open the box. Look at that. There is so many samples. That is amazing. This is obviously the sample of double serum. And guess what I have to do with this one? I have to take it to the store. And my vendor also sent me lots of mini bags as well. These are the tricks that we do use at the store to bring lots of customers to the, you know, to the counter. And yeah, guys, all of it is double serum samples. Now I literally started cleaning when it was 12 p.m. Okay guys, I kind of wanted to give you a sneak peek to the boxes that I have in front of me. I cleaned the corners, so I do have all the boxes that stuck up here. I also do have this box as well that I usually use, you know, to test out the new product that I have not tried before. And I have my bad bin right here. Look how full that is. Oh my goodness. I literally have to give away some of these products to my friends, you know, if they like it or not. And I have my empties box here, like some of the products that I have emptied recently. And my giveaway box are the products that you are going to get. The winner is gonna get it, guys. I also do have my mom box as well here, so I'm gonna give away some of the skincare products that I don't normally do use. And I also wanted to show you my desk as well. This is a little tray that I do use, you know, when I film and when I get ready actually. So it pretty much holds my brush holders, you know, my makeup brushes, all of it in here, and some of the spray, some of the foundation that I do use, you know, on a regular basis. And this one is from Clarins. I love this foundation, the True Radiance, like my favorite one. And it cosmetics when I do need some sunscreen, you know, makeup. And I also do hold some of the fragrances in here as well. This one is from Clarins, and it is their treatment water. I love smelling it in the morning. And I have been using this spray as well, and some of the brow products, some eyeshadow and contour. And I also want to make a review about this Morphe spray as well, so watch out for that one, guys. It's coming. These are my beauty blenders. They're so dirty, like I have to wash it. I do use this little, you know, shell to hold my beauty blenders. So cute. I love it. Let's go to the kitchen. So I wanted to show you that these are the gratis that I got from the training. I went there from Oahu, brought all of these products for me as a thanks for helping her for the training. And I also wanted to show you that I do have so many extra firming moisturizers here. These are not for me. I'm so grateful for how much I got, but these are for girls, you know, whenever we do training in the future. These are just a gratis for them, you know, to give it away from as a thanks from Clarins. Good morning, everyone. This is Thursday today, and it is 10:14 a.m. right now. I got myself ready for filming. Today is a filming day for me. After cleaning yesterday, I did my nails. As you guys can see, it's not perfect, but hey, at least, you know, I do them on my own, you know, saving some money. I am starving right now, so I have to get something in me. I want to eat this pear. Ah, it smells so good. Alright guys, I just finished filming. My literally forearm hurts. It's because I have been swatching the eyeshadow palette that I reviewed today. I am almost out of my breath right now. It's because I have been talking. I am about to turn off my lights, and I need to get something in my stomach because I am so hungry right now, guys. So hungry. I'm snacking on this hummus that I purchased. I'm eating my sour cream as well. I'm a sour cream girl. I love sour cream with everything. even with soup. I kind of wanted to chat with you guys as I'm eating right now because I want to multitask. In a few hours, in about 2 hours, I actually have an interview again. If you have watched my previous vlog, you do remember that I mentioned that I applied to online teaching classes, but they rejected me. It's because I'm not a native speaker. That girl actually contacted me back and then asked if I am still interested in the position, and I was like, yeah, sure. I don't know what it is that has really changed her mind. I do have a good period of time that I used to be a teacher, so I don't know, it's like my English is breaking right now. I'm a little bit tired, guys, a little bit tired. So my husband is gonna come in a few hours as well, and we have to go to the gym because I need to exercise. I really have to exercise my muscles. This hummus is so good. Standing a whole day, like, you have to exercise your muscles or it's gonna get so sore and stiff. All right, that snack was not enough, so I think we're gonna have to eat outside today. I wanted to sit down and then kind of chat with you guys in this video. I really want to improve my productivity. This girl is tired. I want to improve my productivity, meaning that I want to provide as much as possible to our family, because my husband was the one so far who has been taking care of everything in the house, groceries, like bills, the apartment. And to be honest, it is kind of hard on one person. Luckily, I started my job, which is really good. Life is not just survival. You have to be able to afford doing other things together, or you have to be able to travel, or let's say splurge on a good quality things. I'm gonna have to work hard. I do have some plans, and since I do speak multiple languages, I want to take advantage of my skills. I am actually getting a lot of invitations for translating documents. Invitations, is it the right word? I think so. It's time to take off these earrings now because these are so huge. All right, guys, yes, you have guessed it. It is that time. We are about to pick the winner. Are you ready? Yes, I'm about to announce the winner on Friday in the morning. So today was the last day. There were so many awesome entries for this giveaway. I am super excited for you guys, and good luck. So let's go ahead and choose the winner. Let's see who is going to win. All right, guys, good luck for all of you. 1, 2, 3. Karen Velasquez. Oh my goodness, congratulations, Karen. Comment that he left is, one of the things that I love of your videos is how informative they are. Kisses. Thank you so much, Karen, for subscribing to my channel and for being awesome subscriber. So there you go, guys. I just announced the winner of my giveaway. Thank you so much, Karen Velasquez, for entering the giveaway. Oh my goodness, who knew that the male is going to be the one who's gonna win this giveaway? I'm so happy for you. I'm gonna contact you as soon as possible and then send over the the giveaway items. I'm sure you're gonna love all of them. All of them are my favorite. I don't think that you're gonna use the mascara a seal booster, but maybe you're gonna give it away to your friends or your family members. Maybe they're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways in the future, maybe once we reach the milestones on my channel. Like, I am just like blown away how amazing entries that we got for this giveaway, and I really do appreciate all of you guys for leaving your comments and then sharing what you guys like the most about my videos, and it is really helpful for the growth of my channel. Thanks again for everyone for entering the giveaway, and congratulations, Karen.